Okay, here is the trick that I found when replacing an existing door. You may be putting in a different design or a different type of door. But anyway, the trick is when you're replacing a door, just cut or leave the shims in. You know, you've got a shim here, you've got a shim over here. Leave those in when you cut, and when you take these out, take the frame out, you want to just cut along here, cut the nails here, so that the shim stays on. Again, you would cut along here. You may need to pry it out a little bit, but cut along here, and same thing down here. You've got a shim down here. But why would you want to remove the shims when it's already worked once and they've done all the work? Same thing up top. Cut the shim here, down below, so that the shim stays in. Same thing here and over here. When you do that, then you don't have to go through the process of making sure. So now when you put your new door in, yeah, you'll want to check and make sure it's level up top and on the sides. You want to check for it being level. If it's level, just go ahead and use those shims and go ahead and start nailing it in. It'll save you a ton of time. I've done that in this project that I've had, and so far the two doors have worked really well. If you're having a problem accessing the area where you need to cut, you can just get a screwdriver and pry it open a little bit in order to get your Sawzall in there to cut the nails. You can see. You can see. And again, that way you keep the shim in there, and you don't need to go around shimming the door. So I found this to be an easy way to install a new door. It'll save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and if you have any questions, send us your question, and make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. And if there's a project you have a question about, feel free to ask. Thanks so much, and have a great day.